Hello everyone. With 7 confirmed cases of pertussis or whooping cough in Dickinson County, it's a cause for concern.
That's right. Students from 3 different county school districts are missing class because of the airborne illness. The illness is contagious but treatable with antibiotics. Whooping cough can be very serious and is most harmful to infants. The Dickinson County Health Department says the best prevention is through vaccination in order to stop the spread of whooping cough.
While we still may have some cases out there, we don't probably have as many as we could potentially if people weren't vaccinated, so vaccination is prevention. What that does is it protects the entire community.
If you suspect signs of whooping cough, you should notify your healthcare provider immediately.